Want to start thinking in English but don't know how? Let's break it down. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to translate everything in their head. This is slow and unnatural. Instead, start small. Look around you right now. See a chair. Say chair in your head. See a window. Think window. Don't translate it, just label it. Next, build simple sentences. Instead of a long, complex thought, just think the sky is blue or I am hungry. As you get more comfortable, you can expand these method called association, builds a direct link between the object and the English word. It's like building a new house brick by brick. Try it for 5 minutes every day and you'll be amazed at how quickly your brain starts switching to English mode. For more tips, make sure to subscribe.